Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today I have a food review, and I wanted to know if it was worth the 2 hour wait. Well, today we'll find out. Got some curry chicken. Got some jerk chicken. And I got some jerk shrimp. Well, let's see what this jerk chicken looked like. Okay. Jerk chicken. I'm not mad at that. Got some rice and beans and some cabbage. I'm not mad at that at all. Let's see what this. Okay. Some jerk shrimp. I'm not mad at that. Not mad at that at all. Then we got some roti. Let me taste this roti. Oh, this roti is not bad at all. All right, so I'm gonna get done with this, do a taste test, and see if it was worth the 2 hour wait. This is that curry chicken.
You guys don't wrap it?
No, we don't wrap it.
And the rice and beans.
It's not even. I'll get you rice and beans.
Thank you.
All right, guys, so I'm gonna be completely honest. I was vexed because I had to wait 2 hours for that food, but upon the first bite of that food, I would have to say that all was forgiven. So the food was actually excellent. If I had to give constructive criticism, I would have to say, man, they just really got to prepare a little bit better. They did have a lot of people come after me that was served. Before I was served, I was there for 2 hours, and yeah, that part of the journey wasn't cool, but the food was good. It was well worth the wait. I would probably not go back again. That's just my honest opinion, but my hat's off to the chef, and I hope you guys get that part or that aspect of your business together. Maybe down the road I'll revisit, but as of right now, I don't think that I'll ever go back, but the food was excellent. All right, guys, so that is my review of Taste of Caribbean Long Beach. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you find it, try it for yourself. You know, maybe something might be a little bit different for you, but definitely try it for yourself. The food is excellent, but that wait time was just ridiculous. All right, guys, you know the motto on the page: each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Bless up.